Nobody warned me getting a bird feeder would be an additional recurring monthly expense. I've had this thing set up a week. Those birds already slurped down all of the seed. This stuff was in shape, and I can't just stop now. I feel responsible for their well-being. They've turned me into a bird mother. One week, almost an entire bag of this stuff. And to be honest, I'm kind of annoyed because I didn't even get this for the birds. I got it for my dog because he likes watching the birds. But now I'm in this relationship. By the way, does anybody know, is this a good bird food? Because if I'm going to do this hobby, I'm going to do it right. And Lord knows I already spent 30 minutes